Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my series on the Starship Troopers Terran Command Scenario Editor, where today I am not going to be talking about the Scenario Editor directly. Instead, I'm going to be showing you how to install custom scenarios that the community has made. Now, there's an awesome post on the Starship Troopers Terran Command Discord by the Aristocrats on how to install custom scenarios, but I saw a couple people were requesting a couple videos. It wasn't quite clicking through. So I'm jumping in to help out a little bit and create a quick little tutorial on how to do that. So first things first, you are going to want to be a member of the Starship Troopers Terran Command Discord community. So currently there is no workshop, no Steam workshop for the game at this time, at the time of this recording. But with that said, that doesn't mean you still can't install scenarios and still can't have a good time. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to the Scenario Release Discord channel. This channel here is going to have all sorts of different scenarios that the community has made. So there's 20 to 30 scenarios that the community has made at this point in time. A lot of them are very high quality, and I recommend checking out each and every single one of these. So you can see a couple of these I've gone ahead and praised and highlighted, and this one is really interesting because you get to play as the Arachnids. So there's a lot of powerful stuff you can do inside of the scenario editor without mods. And I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you how to install these scenarios. Most of the time, the scenarios are so large because the players are adding so much detail into their maps, into the artwork, the videos for their missions, that sometimes, most of the time, you're going to find them in a Google Drive. For example, my Whiskey Outpost can only be found through Google Drive because of Discord limitations. So, but there's other situations where the map is small enough but still great, where it can fit in a very small zip file here. So I'm going to go ahead and take Featherstone Dock as my example here by Scuba. I'm going to go ahead and download that. So, all right, it has gone ahead and downloaded here. I'm going to bring my file explorer over here. Now, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to extract this zip file. I personally use 7-zip. It just makes things a little easier, but you can still extract it. You can use 7-zip as well to unzip RAR files, RAR, or you can use RINWAR. So I'm going to go ahead and just extract this. Now, this is where things potentially get a little confusing. Sometimes players would copy this folder into their scenario folder instead of this folder here. This folder has a folder that has the data. Instead, you want just the folder with the data. So, over on this panel here on the left, I'm going to go to my Documents folder. I'm going to go to My Games, Starship Troopers, and then the Scenarios folder. And then making sure that I have this folder with the files inside, I'm going to drag this over here into the Scenarios folder. And now I should be able to play it no problem at all. All right, here we are in the scenario editor. And let's go take a look here. We have Featherstone Dock right here. Now, you do have to restart the game every time you want to install a scenario. However, if your game is not turned on at the time you added it, it'll be available right away. It's just if you have the game running when you add a new scenario, you do unfortunately need to restart the game. And here we go. we have our awesome mission by Scuba created here. And I'm actually going to stop these bugs from destroying my gate. And I'm just going to have them have a lot of hot lead. So, with that all said, this map is beautifully made by Scuba. He's done an awesome job with this map. So I can't wait for further versions of this map as well as other maps that he's made. So, with that said, go forth, have fun, play everyone's scenarios. They're all doing amazing work and amazing detailed jobs. So go have fun, and if you would like to know more, check out the Discord. There, that was witty.